Hi friends, welcome to Quizzy SK. Today is number on letter addition with 21 puzzles to check your observation skills. Are you ready? Let's go. Easy level start. Find the odd number 1Q within given time. Guess the odd number 2W within given 15 seconds. Can you find the odd number 3E within given time? Hurry up guys, you can do it. Boost your brain to find the number 4R within given 15 seconds. Hurry up, it's an easy level. Check your brain power to find the number 5T within given time. Hurry up, genius. Check your observation skill to find the number 6Y within given 15 seconds. Spot the odd number 7U within given time. Time is over and here is your number. Get ready for medium level. Boost your brain to find the number A1Q within given 15 seconds. Search the number S2W within given time. Hurry up guys, it's a medium level. Find the number D3E within given 15 seconds. Hurry up guys and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Can you find the number F4R within given 15 seconds? Hurry up genius, you can do it. Check your eyes power to find the number G5T within given 15 seconds. Can you spot the number X6Y within given time? Subscribe the channel to join the Genius Army. You have to find the number J7U within given 15 seconds. Get ready for hard level. Find the word B BOOM within given 15 seconds. Find the word KIDS within given time. Hurry up, girls. Find the different word BODY within given 15 seconds. You have to search the word SAND within given time. Hurry up, guys, it's a hard level, but you can do it. Guess the odd number MARS within given 15 seconds. Don't give up, guys. Find the word CORE within given time. Hurry up, guys, and comment your score in the last. How many did you find? Find the word FIND within given 15 seconds and don't forget to subscribe the channel. Hurry up, guys, comment your score. How many did you find? The time is over and the head is your number. Thanks for watching.